Introduction to the month-end accounting process. Let's have an overview of the month-end process. In accounting, the month-end close is the processing of transactions, journal entries, and financial statements at the end of each month. Under the accrual method of accounting, it is imperative that the financial statements reflect only the transactions and journal entries that have relevance to the current month's revenues and expenses and end-of-the-month assets and liabilities. Expressed another way, the month-end close process must achieve a proper cutoff of each month's financial activities. The types of accounting procedures addressed in the month-end closing can include depreciating fixed assets, reconciling inventory discrepancies, dealing with accruals, prepayment adjustments, settling work-in-transit material, posting billing documents, and payroll. Let's now have a look at the month-end accounting process, and in particular, we'll look at the key steps. And the first key step is doing error corrections. At this step, you basically check the general ledger accounts for errors, including mispostings and inaccuracies, and then make the necessary corrections. In the second step, you do adjustments and reconciliations. In particular, you do financial adjustments like interest payment adjustments, prepayments, accruals, and depreciation. At this step as well, you do control account reconciliation, reconciliation of debtors control account, creditors control account, VAT control account, bank account, wages account, etc. The reconciliation of the balance sheet items also happens at this step. That is the reconciliation of the assets, liabilities, equity, and reserves. You also, at this step, calculate the closing balances of the accounts after adjustments and reconciliations have been done. And that leads us to the third step, which is reporting to senior management. And what sort of reports do you produce? Basically, you produce the profit and loss statement and other various management account reports if necessary. Reports such as ratio analysis, cash flow statement, and any other reports that management deems necessary to have in order to make day-to-day decisions on funding the business, growing it, and expanding it. Now, month-end accounting process is a very crucial and big part of accounting in general. And if you need to get practical work experience in doing the month-end accounting process, we can help you with that. Get in touch by emailing accountants@tdanda.co.uk. That is accountants@tdanda.co.uk. T for Tango, D for Delta, A for Alpha, N for November, D for Delta, A for Alpha.co.uk.